Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and most importantly, welcome back to another epic video. Today in this video, I will be solving simple equations that are mostly unsolved by students. So in total, I have 4 different equations from all over the internet that looks extremely complex and difficult. But the concepts and methods that I use will absolutely make it 100% easier. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Equation number 1. Now you might feel a bit difficult, right? Well, let's get simplified. So to do this question, I'll be using the cross multiplication method. If you do not know what that means, it's simply multiplying one's fraction's numerator with another fraction's denominator and vice versa. So in this example, we get the answer as AB equals to AB by doing the cross multiplication method for A over B equals A over B. Now when we apply this technique to the equation, we get 3 times 2x plus 3 equal to 4 times x plus 7. That will be equal to 6x plus 9 equal to 4x plus 28. Now when you subtract x by taking the 4x to the left hand side and 9 to the right hand side, you get 2x equal to 19. Well, to find x, we divide 19 by 2. Then we get the value of x as 9.5 in decimal form and 19 divided by 2 in fraction form. Equation number 2. Well, you might think that this equation can be solved by using algebraic method since it is in the form of simultaneous equations. Well, that's where you're wrong. To solve equations using simultaneous equations method, an equation should have the same algebraic terms in both the equations. Unlike this equation which has x squared in the first equation and x in the next equation. So there is only one way of solving these types of equations, that is by subtracting the unknown terms from a common equation. So by using equation number 2, I am gonna subtract y as well as x. Now by using equation number 1, I will be finding x by substituting the value for y as x plus 1 as found earlier. So we get x squared plus 2x plus 2 equals 1. Now we can arrange it in quadratic equation form by taking 1 to the left hand side. We get x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. So now we can arrange them as factors as x plus 1 and x plus 1 equals 0. So we get x equals minus 1. Now that we know x, we can find the value of y by using either one of the two equations. But to show you that this method is correct, I'll prove the value for y by using both the equations. There you can see in equation 1 as well as equation 2, we have got the value of y as 0. On to the next equation. Equation number 3. Well, this equation is also same as the previous one. As usual, I'll be using equation number 2 to subject a and b. Then using equation number 1, I will be substituting the value for b as 15 over a since I'm finding the value for a. Then we get a plus 30 divided by a equals 13. Now you can see the operator is plus. Also the denominator isn't equal. So to make it equal, I'll multiply both the numerator and the denominator by a, because when we make a change in the numerator, same changes should be applied to the denominator as well. Then we get a squared plus 30 divided by a equals 13. Taking the denominator a to the right hand side, we end up getting a quadratic equation as a squared minus 13a plus 30 equals 0. So we can arrange them as factors of two binomial expressions, that is a minus 10 and a minus 3, that is equals to 0. So we can get two solutions for a as plus 3 and plus 10. Now that we have found a, it's time to find b. Since there are two solutions for a, there should be two solutions for b as well. So by using equation number 2, in which we have already subjected b equals 15 divided by a, we can find the values for b. So when a equals 3, b will be equal to 5. And same way, when A equals 10, B will be equal to 1.5. Moving on to the next equation. Equation number 4. Well, by looking at the equation, you might have guessed the answer 9. But wait, that's where you're wrong. When we use the squares of two binomial expressions theory, we know that a plus b squared will be equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. You might be curious how these values come. Well, this is how. Now when we square the first equation, we get the values x squared over y squared plus y squared over x squared. But wait, there should be an additional term as 2ab in the example a plus b squared. That's where we take the product of the two terms and multiply it by 2. Then we get our answer as 2. But when we look at the given equation, they have told us to find the value for x squared over y squared plus y squared over x squared. So when we subtract that value from our simplifications, we get x squared divided by y squared plus y squared divided by x squared equals to 9 minus 2. Since the square of the first equation in the right hand side gives 9 and the 2 goes to the opposite side with the opposite sign, therefore the final answer will be 7. So with that, today's video is over. Be sure to click that like button and subscribe to this channel along with that notifications button so that you can get notified whenever future uploads take place. Also, let me know if you have any ideas on what video should I upload next in the comment section below. Till then, signing off for now, Maths Academy.